Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your remote desktop cannot find the computer error in Windows computer guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On right side scroll down guys. Here the remote desktop user connection permissions. Click on it. And here remote desktop connect to and use this PC from other device using the remote desktop app. Click turn on and here it's a confirm enable remote desktop view and user selected your use under user account will be able to connect to PC remotely. Click confirm and here or the name your PC name will be there guys. Easy way to connect in PC. Other PCs find it guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.